It's a beautiful day with NeriEli. Come smile with us. Today on NeriEli, we're gonna make homemade slime. You said soulmate slime. Hi everybody. It's a beautiful day with NeriEli. I'm Naraya. And I'm Eliana. And that makes NeriEli. So welcome to our channel, and today we're gonna make homemade slime. So first you need a bowl, spoons, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 2 tablespoons of eye contact solution. And we need food coloring. There's only food coloring. And we need 1 bottle of Elmer's glue. Okay. Ready, set, go. Whoa. And yeah. And you can put 1 or 2 drops of food coloring. So it doesn't have to be like that dark. Now when we put it inside the food coloring, we're gonna mix the glue and food coloring all together. Look at all the colors mixing together. And today we're gonna make cupcakes and cake. Okay, but we're making slime. You're done mixing your glue and your food coloring together, you're gonna put 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda. So we have 1 teaspoon, and yeah, that's a spoon. That's it. And that's what it looks like. That looks good. And pour the whole thing. Okay. Now we're gonna mix it all together until the powder gets gone, like mixing cake batter and all the ingredients together. Now it should look like this. Not to eat. I'm just kidding. It's looks like chicken noodle soup. Here we're gonna put eye contact solution, and make sure you put 2 tablespoons. Don't drip it, sister. If it's too slimy, you put more eye contact solution in your slime. Like hers. But that's okay if your hand gets wet because it's just the eye contact solution. I think the slime cried. After you made your slime, you can make anything with it. You can give it to somebody.
There is none like you.
Okay, and you can stretch it so big. A slingshot. And you can make a whole mountain right there, like this. Or pretend it's like a ball and you can just throw it in the air. And you can make a lot of different slimes with different ingredients, and you can sell it to your friends. And you can make a booth where you sell your slime. And no matter you do with it, you have to put it in a container or put it in a Ziploc bag so it doesn't get dry. Yeah, it could get really dry, and you have to throw it away, and you feel like dun dun dun. And there we go, homemade slime. So thanks for watching our channel, NeriEli. And make sure to subscribe and leave a comment below. And yeah, and press that bell on the subscribe button, and make sure to like this video. So bye. thank you for watching our homemade slime video, and I hope you enjoyed it. And now we're gonna do a slime giveaway. Woo, woo, ooh, And on January 19th, we're gonna go on Facebook, NeriEli Twins live, and we're gonna draw 2 winners, and the 2 winners are gonna get slime kits. And the time is at 7:00 p.m. And the 2 winners are gonna receive your own slime kit. Those are slime kits. And you can make your own slime. It has blueberry scent and strawberry scent. And again, what you want to do, watch the video like you're doing now, and comment below slimy, and we're gonna be on Facebook 7 p.m. live, January 19th.